Hey everyone, I am Tarek Jamil from Tarek 360 YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I will show you the On Funnel Away challenge review and everything about it. It is made by Russell Brunson, the entrepreneurs. So, let's start the review. We are going to onfunnelaway.com. Your joining link in the description below. Okay, what's in the description? Get step-by-step coaching to help you create and launch your first or next funnel totally from scratch in just 30 days. If you don't know about funnel, what is funnel, I have already a video made in my channel. You can see that. Okay, I am giving the description of funnel in short. Funnel is a marketing system, just different from normal marketing system. In normal marketing, you send the traffic to your product, people buy the product, that's it. Okay, but for funnel system, you offer for a free product like free ebook or video, people subscribe to your list, then you promote your product, people instantly buy your product, or their email list will be, you have their email list, so next time you can promote your product by their email. So how to use funnel properly, you can learn about the use of proper funnel and creating funnel properly by on funnel away challenge. So let's go to the inside of on funnel away. What's in the one funnel away challenge? So here is written, what does one funnel away mean to you? From Russell Brunson, where Boise, Idaho. Okay, how does one funnel away mean for you? Okay, for everyone it's different. For some of you, you are in a job that you hate, and you are trying to get out. uh, okay, for others, you are entrepreneurs with your own company, you have an own company, but you are stuck, you are not sure why your business profit lost or something else. And for others of you, you are looking for that one funnel that will help you to have more impact in the world. Okay, before I share with you my goal for this on funnel away challenge for you, let me ask you a few questions. Please check all of the question where your answer is yes. Are you just getting started, you have no idea where to start, you want to start a business or something else, but you have no idea where you start? Or are you a dead end job you hate, you have a job you don't like, something else, right? That, and you want to start your own business or freelance business, independent business, or start working from home. Okay, everything want to earn money by less work. So next question, do you have a company that's been successful but for some reason you're feeling stuck? Suppose you have a company but you are feeling stuck for any other reason. Okay, are you trying to figure out a way to reach more people or have a bigger impact on the world? You have a business, but you want to increase your business to the world, many much people, but you can't reach more people. So, or you want to be familiar in the whole world. Okay, are you convinced that you need a funnel but not sure where to start? You learn about funnel, what is funnel, but don't know how to start or where to start. Okay, are you about to launch your next funnel, or you know about everything about funnel, sales funnel, but you want to launch your next funnel but don't know how to properly start your next funnel or profitable funnel, and want to make sure is a huge success. You want to see the success. If you don't know about the proper way to launch funnel, you will not get success. Okay, however, if you checked any of these boxes above, Russell Brunson asked you some question, about 6 question. Okay, 6 question. I described everything, and then I want to invite you to join the One Funnel Away challenge and change your business forever. Okay, if you have checked any of this, you can join the One Funnel Away. So here is how the challenge works. This one channel challenge cost only 100 USD to join. Okay, this 100 USD only for covers your material, they will shipping you. Okay, if you want hard copy, you have to pay some shipping charge, or if you want digital copy, you only need to pay 100 USD. Okay, with the One Funnel challenge, they would easily charge 1000 for the full 30-day challenge, probably even 2000 or more, but all you pay is 100. Okay, one 100 USD, what you will get? uh, you will get uh, many things, that 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, which value actual value is 997 value. 30 days of coaching from Stephen Larsen and Julie Stoyan, and it's all 997 value. On funnel our challenge customized kit 30-day plan, it's 247 USD value. You will get some bonus physical copy of the challenge workbook 97 value, MP3 player 297 value, uh, 30 days hardcover book 97 value, unlimited access to 30 days interview 197 value, behind the skins to club interviews 197 value. But everything you will get on only 100 USD. Okay, if you are convinced and ready to increase or express your business in the whole world, you can join the challenge now. So uh, what's inside the kit, everything you will see in the description. 30 day uh, 30 days kit, 30 days 550 page hardcover book. Okay, you can see the people review here about One Funnel challenge, everything described in the properly. Okay, I'm not describing anymore, people reviews from here. He is the owner of On Funnel challenge, Russell Bunson, and Julius Stan the transformer, the Stephen Larsen the executioner. Here is your mission. Okay, you can join the challenge by clicking here. Okay, is there a guarantee? Of course, I guarantee that if you participate in the challenge, show up to the daily life calls, implement what you learn. But the time the challenge is done, you will have complete a funnel. You will have a complete funnel and solid understanding of the core fundamentals of direct response marketing and funnel building. Okay, he will mentor you everything what's inside the One Funnel challenge. So it's only 100 USD, I already said before. If you want to get the digital version, you have to pay only 100 USD, or you can if you want to get the physical version, you have to pay 19.95 USD for US shipping charge, or 29.95 for international shipping charge. Okay, next step join the One Funnel challenge right now. If you have any question regarding to One Funnel or digital marketing, write down the comment below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.